Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is me, Pisces. It's okay to be selfish because your natural being is healing and helping the world. But who's going to take care of you? You have to be a healthy Pisces to be able to help your fellow man and woman, your fellow spirit, your fellow light workers, your fellow people of the world. So what I need you to do is take care of you. Before anything, fill up your cup and make sure that there's enough in there that is going to overflow. So when you go out and help aid the world, you help the world with their portions, you pour out into them, you still have enough when you go home. When you go back into your place of comfort, when you recharge, you can still do something for yourself because a healthy and happy Pisces is an efficient and well efficient and highly efficient. Wow, I keep saying efficient. Highly recommended and highly effective Pisces. And I need you. The world needs you. So take care of you, your vitals. I need you to stay away from pork, shellfish, be on a massage bed in chiropractic office 2 times a month so we can at least get your body feeling good because you feel good, you think well, therefore your life is going to become better than it ever could be because you're thinking the highest level. I allow serenity to reign in me. The love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. The ball's in your court. You're helping everybody, but today, help yourself. Have your favorite meal, your favorite beverage, your favorite hobby, go to your favorite place. Take care of you the same way you're taking care of the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.